Alright, Masicka drop a new song, so we're gonna jump in it right now. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It's called Keys. Please, please, please do not come on here talking about Imafala. Alkaline, please.
Just too dangerous around you. Just too dangerous around you. Just too dangerous around you.
Criminal offense.
Just too dangerous around you. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
Something different, flow different, sound different. Be honest. Be honest.
Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Don't know which path to start. Be a bit of wine, then you lock off the chart. Crazy, you drive me, you talk the talk. Me fall for you, no matter which part me walk. Lights come action and you cause the spark. Hey, can you put it palm fast? Ride on, me feel like a boss. Eyes on you, girl, because you start.
Come again.
Too dangerous around you. Just too dangerous around you.
Dog a flow.
Just too dangerous around you. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me.
If you like, comment, share, subscribe.
She got the keys to my heart. Don't know which path to start. Be a bit of wine, then you lock off the chart. Crazy, you drive me, you talk the talk. Me fall for you, no matter which part me walk. Lights come action and you cause the spark. Hey, can you put it palm fast? Ride on.
Two different flow.
Like a boss. Eyes on you, girl, because your style gone. You, girl, a class. The price on. Tell me the cost. Living life on. Don't need for us. What a blessing in the dust. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me.
Tell me say this is not a banger. Cause I know a woman them are gonna love this.
She got the keys to my heart. She got my heart on lockdown. Can't wait till you come back round. Wine pan it up and she no stop moan. Wine from where you be and you is not clown. You light up in my life non-stop, yo. Leave me side.
That was a different flow. Just saying. This nigga spit different flows now and I pass two songs them when him drop. Alright.
Not know. Fling it up and then you drop low. Your phone, me bring it up, pull it at yo. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
I think I missed something.
Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart. Baby, your body speak to me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
And the same girl this will come in La Cabra. Same girl, no? Alright. Make we be very honest right now. No. Before we go any further, man, for like, comment, share, subscribe. No, I want to definitely say this. This was a well put together song. Calm flow, different
My husband
flow.
used to ejaculate.
But, hey, hold on. What you not say? Are them ads that YouTube are going with? Excuse me. But hold on. Yeah, sit there. Great song. Hold on. Last minute thoughts. Hey, yeah. Great song. Phenomenal work when it comes to the videograph. I'm the videographer, Shane Creative. I think that's his name. Phenomenal job. No, Masicka. You prove again to me personally, because at one point I used to say, yo, it's just the same flow, dog. But you prove to me, say, yo, you're full of flow, dog. You're full. And I've always said, yeah, dancehall greatest right now. You see me? After the new generation. You see me? Definitely a new goat in the dancehall scene. But Bin said that. Bin think you're a great artist. Me said this multiple times. I love to see you, Cartel and Down upon one blood clean track. I feel that would be a phenomenal track, brother. I feel that would be the track where Jamaica really wants some raw dancehall, bro. No, me give the song a 10 out of 10. Video 10 out of 10. Flow, style, creativity 10 out of 10. You see me? I love it. I can't really bash the song and I can't say nothing bad about the song because the song is a great song. Regardless of what I want to say, the song is a great song. You see me? So I just have to give the man him flowers and say, yo, for the past 2 songs that you drop, bro, yeah, sure we say you're full of flow. You see me? And I think me personally get the understanding say you have a unique sound and not one flow. Which, if we man enough, we can say, yo, you know, yeah, we did wrong. So, big up Masicka, big up Shane Creative. Song you tough. I feel like woman them are gonna love it. And this song like a song you can just vibe to, really and truly. You see me? So like, comment, share, subscribe, and me soon in the next one.